1. Geography. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, covering approximately 9.2 million square kilometers, 3.6 million square miles. It spans 11 countries in North Africa, including Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Western Sahara, Sudan, and Tunisia. Landscapes. These are vast seas of sand dunes, some of which can reach heights of up to 180 meters, 590 feet. The Grand Erg Oriental and Grand Erg Occidental in Algeria are among the most famous. Regs. These are flat plains covered with gravel or pebbles, formed by the wind stripping away sand and dust. They are the most common landscape in the Sahara. Hamadas. These are barren, rocky plateaus. The Hamada du Dra in Morocco is a well-known example. Mountain ranges. The Sahara is also home to several mountain ranges, including the Ahagar Mountains in Algeria, the Tibesti Mountains in Chad, and the Air Mountains in Niger. Some of these mountains, such as Mount Emi Koussi in the Tibesti Range, rise above 3,000 meters, 9,800 feet. Oases. Oases are fertile areas where water from underground sources reaches the surface. They provide essential resources for both humans and wildlife. Examples include the Siwa Oasis in Egypt and the Kufra Oasis in Libya. 2. Climate. The Sahara has one of the harshest climates on Earth, characterized by extremely high temperatures during the day and low temperatures at night. The desert experiences an arid climate with minimal rainfall. Temperature. Daytime. In summer, daytime temperatures can exceed 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making the Sahara one of the hottest places on Earth. Nighttime. At night, temperatures can drop drastically, sometimes to below freezing, especially in the winter. Rainfall. The Sahara receives very little rainfall, averaging less than 100 millimeters, 4 inches, per year. In some areas, it may not rain for years. The central part of the desert, known as the hyper-arid core, is the driest, with some regions receiving less than 10 millimeters, 0.4 inches, of rain annually. Wind. The Sahara is known for its strong winds, particularly the harmattan, a dry, dusty trade wind that blows from the northeast. These winds can create powerful sandstorms, sometimes known as haboobs, that can reduce visibility to near zero. 4. Human history and culture. The Sahara has a rich human history that dates back thousands of years. Evidence suggests that the region was once much greener, with rivers, lakes, and savannas. Ancient inhabitants. Rock art, cave, and rock paintings found in places like the Tassili Niger in Algeria and the Gilf Kebir Plateau in Egypt depict animals such as elephants, giraffes, and crocodiles, indicating that the Sahara was once a much wetter and more hospitable place. Neolithic cultures. Around 10,000 years ago, early human societies in the Sahara practiced agriculture, animal husbandry, and hunting. Nomadic tribes. Tuareg. The Tuareg are one of the most well-known nomadic groups in the Sahara. Often referred to as the Blue People due to the indigo dye of their clothing, the Tuareg have adapted to desert life with a rich culture that includes a unique language, music, and art. Berbers. Indigenous to North Africa, the Berbers have lived in the Sahara for millennia. They are known for their distinct language, Tamazight, and their role in the trans-Saharan trade routes. Trans-Saharan trade. The Sahara was a crucial region for trade between sub-Saharan Africa and North Africa. Caravans of camels carried goods such as gold, salt, and slaves across the desert, connecting